So this video is about the thing which you guys have been requesting for me for so long and spamming me in the comment section. So it's about our Vent Panther exhaust. Yes, finally the video is here. So guys, everything I will talk about in this video will be there in the description box below. But to start off, we have our exhaust itself from Vent Panther, which I bought from a local store in Lamington Road, Mumbai. So the second most important thing when it comes to the exhaust sound is the bend pipe, which I got from Roar Exhaust, Haryana. Again, the link will be in the description box below. So now that you have seen and heard the exhaust, अब बात करते हैं इसके अच्छाई की और what are problems we are facing after this. So first thing first, the sound is super awesome. So it got a good bass, a punch, and as compared to the stock ones, of course it sounds way better. So that's it for that. It pops like crazy. So second thing, mileage drop. मैंने अब तक के ऑलमोस्ट इसको 1.5 साल से यूज़ कर रहा हूँ और मैंने तो कोई माइलेज ड्रॉप नोटिस नहीं किया. इनफैक्ट इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट द सेम एज दैट ऑफ द स्टॉक वन. सो नो माइलेज ड्रॉप. थर्ड पॉइंट इज़ you will stand out of the crowd क्योंकि अब मार्केट में अपाचे काफ़ी हो गई है. सो इट विल गिव यू अ डिस्टिंक्टिव लुक एंड फील. एटलीस्ट 100 मीटर पहले से तो लोगों को पता चल जाएगा कि आप आ रहे हो. सो दैट्स द थर्ड पॉइंट टूवर्ड्स प्रोज ऑफ दिस एग्जॉस्ट. सो अब चलते हैं इसके प्रॉब्लम्स की तरफ. फर्स्ट थिंग, मुझको बेंड पाइप की वजह से मेरा मिड स्टैंड निकालना पड़ा. दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट थिंग विच आई वुड से. मेरे पास में अब मिड स्टैंड नहीं है. सो वेरेवर आई पार्क इट ऑन अ साइड स्टैंड. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ वाइब्रेशंस. बिलो 7000 RPM आपको कोई वाइब्रेशन नहीं मिलेंगे, बट अबव 7000 RPM you will feel some vibrations on your foot peg and handlebar. So problem number 3 is what you guys have asked is a valid problem. So let's get on to a place where we can park the bike and stand somewhere, and I'll answer your questions there. So this question is from the only bong. He asked us, is it a slip-on and is it screwing with the compression ratio? So brother, I would say compression ratio का तो कोई problem नहीं है, and yes, it is a slip-on. So you can like connect it to your stock bend pipe, and in my case I connected it to another one which I purchased from Roar Exhaust. So this is the thing which is keeping it into the place. Question number 2, CD5_. Can you provide the link to buy the shrouds for the Apache R? Bro, the shrouds, as you can see there, the shrouds are from Yamaha. So you can purchase it from anywhere where they sell the parts for the Yamaha. 02020 changes in the performance and efficiency of engine. Yeah, so this is the important part after you change your exhaust. So I don't face any performance issue or performance enhancements, because top speed and all is everything is same. No mileage drop, as I said. Mr. underscore rev underscore 08 says, want to listen the sound of your bike, dude, eagerly waiting. So here you go, man. The video is out. You can listen to as much time as you want, and I must say it sounds really good. How much it will cost? Vinay Monikoti. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. How much it will cost, he asked. So the exhaust cost is 4,000 rupees, and the bent pipe was around 4,200 rupees, which is from the Roar Exhaust. I'll give the link in the description, so go check them out and order if you want. So thanks guys, thanks for sending in your questions and queries about the exhaust. Do follow me on Instagram. My handle will be down there in the description. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed the video. I tried to capture the sound as pure as I could, because मेरे GoPro में sound proper नहीं आता है, because I'm using a cheap mic. So I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have enjoyed, then don't forget to give it a like. और प्लीज़ यार, प्लीज़ मुझे 1K तक पहुँचाओ. मैं बहुत करीब हूँ 1K के. So I'll see you then in the next vlog. Bye bye.